Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated compact sedans of the future, the 2026 Honda Civic. Honda is once again shaking up the segment with a refreshed design, cutting-edge technology, and performance upgrades that make this Civic a true standout. At first glance, the 2026 Civic looks sleeker and more refined than ever before. Honda has refined its exterior styling with sharper lines, a more aggressive front grille, and thinner LED headlights that give it a bold and athletic stance. The body has been slightly stretched to offer better aerodynamics and more interior space, while the rear features a sportier bumper and taillights that wrap around the sides for a more cohesive look. Under the hood, the new Civic continues to offer a range of efficient and punchy engines. While the base model comes with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, the highlight is the updated 1.5-liter turbocharged power plant, delivering more power and better fuel efficiency. Reports also suggest that Honda may introduce a hybrid variant with improved electric range, in line with their push toward electrification. Step inside the 2026 Civic, and you'll be greeted by a completely revamped cabin. The layout is minimalist but modern, with a focus on driver comfort and intuitive controls. A large digital instrument cluster and a new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominate the dashboard. Honda has also integrated wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a more responsive voice command system. Comfort and convenience are at the heart of this Civic. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and enhanced sound insulation make the cabin feel upscale. There's more legroom in both the front and rear, and the seats now offer better lumbar support for long drives. A panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and wireless charging pad are also available in higher trims. Safety, as always, is a top priority. The 2026 Civic is packed with the latest Honda sensing suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a new semi-autonomous traffic jam assist feature that makes city driving much more relaxed. And for those who love a more spirited driving experience, the Civic Sport, and possibly the upcoming Trim promise sharper handling, retuned suspension, and paddle shifters for more control behind the wheel. Overall, the 2026 Honda Civic continues the nameplate's legacy of reliability, efficiency, and fun-to-drive dynamics. Now with a modern twist, it's stylish, smart, and ready to lead the compact sedan segment once again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update on the coolest new cars. See you in the next video.